Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail profile picture in the mobile application. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to of course open the Gmail application. In the app you should see your account icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, then tap on manage your Google account. And right here, you can scroll down and look for the option called Personal Info and tap on it. And here we have the profile picture. Tap on the option. And right here, you can use some already pre-existing illustrations if you want to by selecting one. Or you can tap on See More Illustrations to see more. You can upload the picture from your device. You can also take a picture and use it as a profile picture. I'm gonna use the upload from device option, then go to the collections, download, and select a picture, for example, this one. Now we need to crop the image. So basically pick the part of the image we want to use as our profile, then tap next, tap on save right here. And the picture will be used. I forgot to mention, but you can also change who can see your picture, profile picture. If you tap on this globe icon right here, you can tap, or rather it will open the menu, and here you have choose who can see your profile picture, and we have anyone. So if you select this option, anyone can see your profile picture, and if you select people that you interact with, only people that you interact with will be able to see it. So if you prefer it to be more private, you can select this option and tap on save. Okay. And once you're done, the picture should be uploaded for some reason. Okay, now it changed. So as you can see, it changed now. So we have our new profile picture. And that's how you change the Gmail account profile picture in the mobile application. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.